In this video, we are going to learn how to differentiate using the Casio calculator in seconds for multiple choice questions in calculus. Now, after going through this video, I guarantee you that you will be able to differentiate using Casio FX-CG50 calculator in seconds for multiple choice questions in calculus. Okay, having known that, let's get the Casio calculator now and go into the details of the video. Okay, so this is Casio FX-CG50 calculator. Now, the very first thing you have to do will be to reset the calculator or to put it in default mode. The essence of doing this is to wipe out whatever previous value you might have stored in the calculator. Okay, to quickly reset, all you have to do is to navigate to system using this navigation button. When you get to system, press execute. Alright, execute for this calculator stands for equal to. Okay, now once you get here, you then press F5 for reset. Okay, then press F6 for next page. We want to initialize all, you press F2, then F1 to initialize all, yes, and the calculator will begin to initialize all. Okay, so let's wait for it. We're going to find the derivative of all the functions here using this Casio calculator. So it's done. You press exit button. Alright, now the next thing we're going to do will be to ensure that our calculator is in reduce mode. By default, mine is already in reduce mode. If you press execute under this one matrix, you see reduce here. If yours happen to be in degree, all you have to do to convert to reduce is simply to press shift menu. Okay, navigate to angle. So this is angle. For instance, if I press F1 now, it will change to degree. Alright, so if yours happen to be in degree, to change it to radius, all you have to do is press F2. It will go to radius or change to radius. Alright, so having done this, let's press exit button. Okay, now the next thing we're going to take note of is to ensure that we store a number we're going to use to differentiate these functions we have here. Okay, I recommend 2 often for people I teach because I have practiced with 2 for a very long time and I have not found any error with it. Okay, so to store 2 on this calculator, we're going to store 2 as x. All you have to do is to press the number first, 2, press execute. Okay, then you press this arrow button. Now I want to store it as x, you press alpha. Alright, this plus button, that's where x is. Then press execute. Once you do it, it will indicate that x has been stored as 2 on this calculator. Okay, so we are good to go. Now let's delete everything. Delete all, F1. Okay, so let's begin with question 1. Now note that the idea behind differentiation with the Casio calculator is to differentiate the question first and then evaluate or simplify the options to get your answer. Alright, so let's begin with question 1. We have the function y equals this value 2x squared square root of 2 plus x. Alright, so we are going to differentiate. To differentiate or bring that d by dx here, you press F4 for maths, then go to look at d by dx, press F4 again. Alright, so let's impute the function there exactly as the function is appearing there. We have 2x to bring out express alpha and this plus button. Okay, square, then square root. To bring out square root, press shift and this s square button. Okay, we have 2 plus x alpha x. Okay, so that's all. Ensure that the bracket is balanced. Very important, guys. If you notice, we have one bracket at the left and we also have one bracket at the right, so it's balanced. Ensure that the bracket is balanced, guys. Okay, having known that, let's go here and put the 2 restored. Very important. Press 2. Let's press the quiz now to see what we're going to have. 18. Okay, right now we're going to simplify the options. Anyone that gives us 18 will be our answer. It's as simple as that, guys. So let's press exit. Alright, delete all. So let's begin with option A. We have it to be in fraction. We have 5x squared alpha x, okay, square plus 8x alpha x, right, over, we have square root of shift this button 4 plus x alpha x, and that's press execute. No, we got 18. Now let's check option B. All you have to do is simply to adjust it using this button and do the necessary changes. Okay, the difference is here we have 2. That's the press execute 18, correct. Now our answer is what? Option B. Alright, now feel free to check option C. I know that you will not get similar value, so our answer is option B. Option D says none. Okay, so let's look at question 2. Let's solve question 2 that involves trigonometric function tan inverse. Alright, so let's delete everything here. Delete so let's go back to d over dx, press F4, d over dx. Alright, so we have the function y equals tan inverse of 1 over x squared. Okay, let's include the function tan inverse, press shift down. Okay, then fraction 1 over x squared over x squared. Then go and put the 2 is stored, which is this. Then press execute. Also, the bracket is balanced. Okay, minus 4 over 17 rather. So press exit to change it to decimal. Okay, minus 0.23. Right now we're going to simplify the options. Anyone that gives us minus 0.23 or minus 4 over 17 will be our answer. Okay, so let's begin with option A. Let's delete everything here. Press exit first. Okay, so let's simplify option A. So in fraction, we make use of this fraction button. We have minus 2x alpha x, okay, over 1 plus x to the power 4. Make use of the power function. So I press execute. Confirm. Our answer is what? Option A. This is exactly what we got when we differentiated. This we press SD. Yeah, correct. Now, if you want to take option B, all you have to do is to adjust it here and do the necessary adjustments. Okay, so the difference is that here we have 4. Okay, so put 4 for option B, and does the press execute? No. So option C is none. So feel free to check option D, but our answer is what? Option A. It's as simple as that, guys. Now let's go to question 3. Let's delete everything here. Okay, so question 3, we have to differentiate this function y equals tan x sine x. So let's go back to maths. Right, d over dx. So we have tan x alpha x, okay, sine x alpha x. Then the bracket is balanced. Go ahead and put it to be stored, and that's all. Execute. Okay, 6.15. Now we're going to simplify or evaluate the options. Anyone that gives us 6.15 will be our answer. Okay, so let's delete. Press exit first, then delete all. Yeah, remember we got 6.15. Okay, now let's begin with option A. So we have sine x plus cos x tan x. Now if you check these options, we have cosec and sec for option A, B and C respectively. Now on this calculator rather, we don't have cosec and sec. Alright, now note that in trigonometric identity, cos theta is the same thing as 1 over tan theta, cosec theta is the same thing as 1 over sin theta, and sec theta is the same thing as 1 over cos theta, where theta can be replaced as x on the calculator. Alright, take note of this trigonometric identity I've just explained. Okay, now since we don't have cots on this calculator for option A, look at how we're going to do it. Now it will be, so we have sine x alpha x, okay, plus, then we replace cot with 1 over tan. Alright, use this fraction button, 1 over tan, okay, x cot x, tan 1 over tan x. Okay, you go here and put our tan x there, and that's all. Yeah, so press equal to and see what we're going to have. No, we got 6.15. So let's check option B. The difference is, let's adjust it here. For option B, we have it has cosec there, and I say that cosec is the same thing as 1 over sine theta. Alright, so we replace cosec with 1 over sine theta, that's sine x. So that's the press execute. No? Now let's check option C. The difference there is the sec x. Alright, so let's remove this. I said that sec is something that's 1 over cos. Alright, so remove this sign here and put your cos. And that's all. Press execute button. Confirm. So this is our answer, option C. Alright, this is what we got when we differentiate the question. 6.15. Alright, so that's our answer. Okay, now let's go to question 4 that involves logarithmic function and exponential function as the base. Okay, so let's delete everything here. It's as simple as that, guys. Very interesting. Now, for question 4, we asked to differentiate this function y equals log to the base of exponential by 2x over square root of x squared plus 1. So let's go to d over dx, press F4 for maths, then d over dx. Right, now, we don't have log to the base of exponential on this calculator. Now, note that log to the base of exponential in calculus is the same thing as len. This button, len. Alright, so we're going to replace this log to the base of exponential with len on this calculator. They both mean the same thing. So instead of imputing log to the base of exponential, we're going to replace it with len. Alright, very important, guys. We don't have it here, so use len to replace it. We have len fraction. We have 2x, okay, alpha x, okay, over square root of, shift this button, square root of x square alpha x, okay, square plus 1, and that's all. So you go here and put the 2 we stored, put the 2 here, and we are good to go, guys. It's as simple as that. The bracket is balanced. Let's press execute. We are 1 over 10. Right now, we're going to simplify the options. Anyone that gives us 1 over 10 will be our answer. Is as simple as that, guys. Okay, so let's delete everything here. You press exit button first, then press F2, delete all. Alright, so we begin with option A. We have it to be 1 over, okay, x alpha x in bracket x square alpha x, okay, square plus 1. We close the brackets. That's the press execute over 10. So that's the answer. The answer is what? Option A. Is as simple as that, guys. Now feel free to check option C and option D, but I feel that we don't get the same value. The answer is option A, so feel free to check it out. So learn something interesting from this video. If you are new to the channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel from what you have learned from this class. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my subsequent video.